And it's really precise brush, and you don't have to worry about it's going to be really thick. So we're gonna just like remove the most of the gels off from the brush, from the bristle. And then for a lot of you are not sure with your French, so do not scare. Just I'm gonna do it, start from the centers first, and then you gradually just go slow and keep the bristle parallels with the nails. So now if you don't want anything else here, you're good to go. But I'm gonna cure first for 30 seconds, quick 30 seconds, and I'm gonna put this one on. It's really quick and simple. So I'm going ahead and using condensed glue gel. So now a lot of you will ask question, and doesn't matter how many times you're asking, I love all the question you ask, because then I'm able to assist you so much better, and I'm able to know that what you are going to use the products for. So this is the really is precise, and it's really a good concrete the foundation for the crystal placement. So this is the crystal trifecta. So when you're doing a crystal trifecta, we are going to using condensed glue gel first, and then no wipe top coat. If you decide to doing it the matte finish, you place a matte top coat first on the top of the condensed glue gel instead of no wipe top coat shiny. They both says no wipe, but one is shiny and one is matte. So in this time I am going to place apply the condensed glue gel, not too thick, not too thin. If it's too thick, it might be going to flood your crystal. Too thin, it might not going to adhere your crystal properly. So you want to make sure that you give it a couple times. You feel like, oh my god, my crystal is running everywhere. It means that you probably applies a little bit too much of the top coat and the condensed glue gel. Give it a try one more time. You will get hang of it. Or if you feel like your crystal is coming off and does not have much of the concrete to hold down your crystal, you mean that probably you might apply is not enough of the condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat. So should we do shiny or matte on this one? Maybe we should go matte or shiny. Matte, shiny?
Do matte.
Matte? Beside matte. So we're gonna go matte top coat. And then we are going to float it on the top. And don't drag too hard to pull out. There's a little fur right here. I'm gonna move it before we curing it. Just don't drag it too hard, because you want to make sure that it's floating on. You don't want to take like pull it all of your condensed glue gels off. So I am go ahead, and I love this centerpiece from, I'm gonna show you the centerpiece. The kits. And then we're gonna get some super cute purple. I love the centerpiece crystal because it was definitely, it do pretty much the work for us. Is have a frame and the beads already built in. So that's why you can definitely having so much fun. Created so many designs without taking a lot of time or frustrated and not sure what you are doing, and if you're not sure that they are going to place well together. So I kind of love about this. Like now, if you don't want any beads on, you can definitely like skip the beads part and then good to go. So on the gloves crystal here, and you can go on and on if you want to come on more. If you don't want to, absolutely. We can leave it alone like this, and then we are going to move on to the next one. Just one more in here. I'm getting this is beautiful gloves. You can get it from the starter kits, the crystal starter kits, or you can get it from the your sub box. The sub box might get the this month I get the